There comes a time when you need to do some hardcore celebrating with a lot of people. Let's create a shot glass tray using xSheetMetal in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. We start off with a base sketch for the basic shape, which is going to be a rectangle, and then we're going to add in some sketched entities for the handle. Remember to dimension so that the sketched entities don't flop about unpredictably. Add an arc, put some dimensions. Let's make it tangential so we've got a nice clean intersection. Mirror it around, and then we're going to trim off the unnecessary items so we've got a single shaded shape, which is going to be our base sheet metal wall. When we start the wall, we need to give it some sheet metal properties. So the first thing will be the thickness, and we're going to make that a 1.6 because, well, that's the stock we've got in the workshop at the moment. Let's create some cutouts for the glasses themselves. Needed to put the sketch first, so we put the circle there, give it a 30 diameter. That'll hold the glass nicely around kind of the midpoint of the glass, so it'll dangle there. Right, we make the cut, and then we're going to just pattern that using a linear pattern in 2 directions so that we can get the number of glasses we want. Choose the reference, direction of patterning, choose the increment and how many instances, and there you go. 15 glasses, like 15 players on a rugby team. That's something to celebrate. South Africa won the Rugby World Cup. Let's put some sidewalls in so that it can stand on the table. That's it. It's ready. But I want this to be hand bendable, so I'm going to go and add in a couple of cuts along the bend line, which is going to make it very easy for me to bend this by hand instead of needing to put it into a brake press or something like that. So I'm going to unfold it. I'm going to go and select the sketch from another part that's already been done previously. So I'll go and search for that. I've got a stamp with the sketch. It's got multiple sketches, so we just choose the one that we need from the drop down, orient it and locate it where you want it. I'm going to stick it in twice because I want 2 opposing sketches. Right, and then we create the cut from that sketch. There you go. And again, we're just going to pattern it. So it's important to make sure that the cuts are not too close together or too far apart, otherwise the wall will be either too weak or it will be too strong and you won't be able to bend it by hand in any case. So let's mirror that seed cut to the other side and pattern it again. And then we're just going to fold it back. There we go. Awesome. It's ready. Look at that. Now, obviously what we need from this is a DXF. DXF is pretty simple. It's a 1 button. Just select what entities you want to be in the DXF and it's done. I can just go and find it. There it is. Ready to cut. Use it for glasses or even eggs.
Quack.